Hello, my name is Inderbeer Singh and I conducted a meeting with my client Maninderbeer Singh to get to know him and to discuss his SMART goal. So yes, the purpose of our appointment was to discuss about his SMART goal, which is he told me that it is hypertrophy and he wants to gain muscles within 1 month of time. So to help him in achieving his goal, I made a SMART goal chart which would help him in hypertrophy. So his goal is going to be specific as he wants to gain muscles. It is going to be measurable as he can measure his muscles gains uh, before the exact time. He will be able to measure it and he can see the change. And this goal is going to be attainable as I will give him a proper chart which will have all the exercises and proper diet included on it, which will help him in hypertrophy. And this goal is also going to be realistic as he will be able to see results after a few weeks, and it is going to be timely as he will gain muscles in 1 month. So talking about his sedentary behavior and his physical activity history, he told me that he has an active lifestyle, which I believe is also an active, as he works in a warehouse 3 days in a week, and he also do some heavy lifting there. So I think it's active lifestyle. So I believe his behavior is not that sedentary. Moreover, I also think that he is active too as he goes to his work on bicycle. So talking about his training history, he told me that he used to exercise before and he had been even going to the gym some months before, but since he's joined a warehouse and started doing job there, he left exercising and now he only uses bicycle. So he told me that earlier he was able to even manage his time as he told me that he's not able to manage his time as he works full time. So he's only left with weekends, and in fact he spent his weekend even resting on his bed and doing some other works of his home or college works. So he's not getting enough time to exercise. But now as he only works 3 days a week, so he has managed his time, and another 3 days he can exercise. So I will make a chart according to that. So to better understand my client Maninder Singh, I asked him about his history of medicine or any injury, but that and he told me that he is free from all medical conditions. He is not having any major accident, he doesn't have any major injury, and he's free from all conditions. And he has never attained any fracture. So according to me, he is perfectly fit to train. But still I will conduct a physical fitness exam to check his fitness levels. And after he conducting this exam, I will make sure that I do my best for him, and I will also make sure that he is perfectly fit to train. And then I will help him in achieving his goal as fast as I can. And after achieving his goal, he after achieving his goal of hypertrophy, Maninder Bir Singh is also going to do endurance training, and he said that he even wants me to help him in endurance training, which is even very good for me. As once again, I will do my best to help him in this case too, and make him even proud that he chose me as his personal trainer. I will do my best. I will do everything that I can do to help him. So that to help him achieve his smart goal. Moreover, to know Maninder Bees better, I asked him about his hobbies, and he told me that he loves to read books. Especially, he read history books, and he spent his free time even only reading books or traveling somewhere with his family. He even loves to cook and eat healthy food, but he even sometimes eat junk food as well. So I suggested him to eat junk food as little as he can, which would help him in achieving his smart is which will help him in achieving his goal faster. And he can so good, good habits, good eating habits always help us in getting fit better. and we can reach our goals faster by that. So I suggested him to avoid junk foods, eat little junk food, as little as he can. So he agreed to me, and he said that he from now he will only eat healthy food, and will never touch junk food or eat as little as he can. So yes, I enjoyed my interview with him, and he was properly fit. So I will do my best to help him with his goal. So thank you. Thank you.